Your point is an elephant.
Hey guys, this is Nikki of Babez Bath Company and welcome to my channel. I am so sorry that I have not been consistent with the videos. So I do have a plan and I have a list of goals of things that I want to do for this year. So starting out with, I want to do classes. Everybody has been asking me to do classes online or to do, teaching how to do things, and I had to figure out how I was going to do it. It's still floating around in my head. It's not solidified. It has not exactly come together as the idea that we're going to move forward with. I'm going to sell kits of whatever I'm going to teach about, and 2 weeks later, when everybody should have their kit, then I'm going to have a live class. And I was thinking about having a class where you pay, but I think I'm gonna do free classes, and either you can buy the kit and have everything you need in front of you, or you can, if you are a maker already, you can do it with me. And I want to make it more fun. I don't want to exactly make it like a classroom, so maybe have a cocktail or do something fun. I'm not sure exactly, but it's there. So definitely teaching the classes is a thing, and it's going to be Babez University. And so yeah, so we're gonna have that coming up, and I also want to do a lot more in the kitchen with me, you know what I mean, like making products behind the scenes kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do a lot more of that, and I also want to do more DIYs. And so the DIYs that I would do on this channel would be more or less the things that I use in the shop. Someone asked me to show them how I did the pedestal cake plate, and so I'll do things like that. But if you have other ideas of things that you would like to see me do, or would like for me to do a video about, I definitely am open to suggestions, especially since it's fresh and I need to stay inspired and I need to stay disciplined and get everything done, you know what I mean? So I want to make sure that I am consistent and I am disciplined. I struggle with discipline, and I say that all the time. I struggle with discipline because as easy as it is to do, it's so easy not to do. And as soon as you don't do it, you keep pushing it and pushing it off, and then you never do it, or a week will go by, a month will go by, a year will go by, and that's what's going on here. Like almost a year went by and I still have not put up any videos. Before we go any further, I need you guys to subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed. Subscribe and click the bell wherever that's at. Click the bell so that you can be notified when I put a new video up, and also follow us on all of our social media platforms, because I keep you up to date on what's going on. So you will see, me about to do something behind the scenes before I even go live, or before I even let you guys know the video is up. So I think I covered everything, but just in case, let's go over it again. So we got the classes, and if there's any classes that you're interested in, post below. And as far as behind the scenes, what do you want to see me make? What do you want to see me do? Do you want to see, okay. So also we have a shop in the Poconos, Northeast Pennsylvania. The shop address is 658 Route 739 in Hawley, Pennsylvania. I'll put the information below. We are going through a renovation right now, and the reason why we're renovating is because I opened up that space, and it was just supposed to be a production space, and a lot of people were going by and they were interested and they wanted to know what was there. And so we kind of like had a storefront. So not we kind of like, we do have a storefront, and having the storefront, everything is not the way I would have imagined it. I kind of like did it in the style of my vintage glamour candy shop kind of thing. I did it in that kind of theme style, but it's just not exactly where I want it to be. So it's ever changing, so I'm going to keep on updating and doing things that I think will improve the shop and improve, you know, people coming in and enjoying it. I really want it to be like a showstopper. I want it to be a place where people come like from all over the place. So if you are in New York, you want to come out to Pennsylvania, check out Bubble Babes. I want it to be like a big like experience for you. So yeah, so I'll be doing things like that for the shop. So I'll have a lot of DIYs that I can do on video to show you certain things. Like I plan on making a chandelier. I want to make a palette shelf. There are my cake pedestal plates I have to do the video for, and that's using Dollar Tree products. And what else do I want to do? I have to redo my window display, so I need some ideas for that. So if you have some window display ideas, let me know right now. I have the hand made roses that I did, the paper roses. I have those hanging in the window. So if you have something different, a theme, Candyland is I love Candyland. I love Willy Wonka. I love Marilyn. I just went off on a tangent. Okay, so yeah, we have that, and then we have all those DIYs. I can show you DIYs from there. Also, if you want to see how I frost, or you know, bath bomb recipes, sugar scrubs, anything, just let me know and we'll do those in the video. And what else would I be doing? Oh, and lives. I definitely want to do lives. So if there's anything that you want to do in a live, want to see me doing a live, you want a tour, you want to see my kitchen, you want to see the shop, whatever you want to see. Do you want to see how I pack orders? Anything that you are interested in seeing, let me know so we can get on that for you guys. And that's basically it. Tell all your friends, come check us out. Our website and all of our information will be down below in the information box. And it feels good to be back. And yeah, it just feels good to be back. So I love you guys, and I thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time.